Morning! So this is the day we are finally here for it's Shetty's wedding. Look at the handsome boys, and they're all prepared. And they're all prepared for the wedding. Ta-da! Ta-da! Bye! My mother is asking me to say bold hal lagna cha outfit hai. Yeah, but this is I plan to keep it very simple. This is the kind of earring I'm wearing. My mother is hugging that. And this is the blouse. I actually the blouse piece I got, and this is my Ai's sari. And this is the final look.
को बड़ी मंजिल मुझे नहीं पता
छाया है क्या नशा तारा तारा रो या सू करूँ मैं क्या करूँ ओहो ए चड्डी दिसते
में ताल है पायल में छन छन घूंघट में कोरी है सहरे में साजन जहाँ भी ये जाए बहारें ही छाए ये खुशियाँ ही पाए मेरे दिल में दुआ दी है मेरे यार की शादी है मेरे यार की शादी है.
Here we are at the wedding venue. It's called Sanidhya Sabha Bhavna. It's in Katil. It's very near to Sri Durga Parmeshwari temple that we visited in the last vlog.
Maya, तुला कसं वाटतंय? Finally we are here. चल चल बसूया.
I love the way that they decided to go with the traditional way of wedding, keeping the culture alive. The mandap is ready, baratis are ready, and we're super excited to see the couple entry.
तो माल इंसान आने दे उनको माला माल.
Finally, the wait is over and here they are. People actually glow on their wedding day. There are a couple of rituals happening here before they could enter the mandap. And while the bride and rest of the ladies are standing in sun and completing the rituals, look at what groom is doing. I always wanted to see South Indian wedding. It's fascinating to see their outfits, the mandap, the rituals, and also the music.
मम्मा को लेके
Done. मम्मा को लेके.
The food is served in a very traditional way on banana leaf, and I must say the food was really yummy. Okay, so the bus that took us to the hall in the morning had forgotten us, so we had no other choice than this rickshaw ride.
Look what I got! Oh, it's not called Goli Soda. Goli Soda. Goli Soda. So, नाही ती बोलली गोली सोडा. मी पण गोटीच म्हणाली ती बोलली गोली. But okay, we are gonna try this now. माझी बिंदी कुठे गेली? हे झालं. ओके. हे असं करायचं. आणि त्यानंतर हे असं. खूप जोर काढते नाही एक मिनिट घे नाही काढ जोर बोल घे नाही होते साडी उठते
After this, I don't regret at all that the bus left us. Our bungalow is 11 kilometers away from the hall. I honestly enjoyed every second of this travel. We also happened to cross a railway track. While I was enjoying the view, look at them. Actually, it's not their fault. We woke up so early and got ready. It was actually a tiring day. It took us 30 minutes to reach our bungalow. There is a beautiful beach called Kulai Beach right in front of our bungalow. We directly came here because we don't want to miss the beautiful sunset. The dot on my left is actually the sun, and the climate here is really calm. The sunset didn't even feel like a regular sunset. The weather is beautiful. We just picked up this dry grass on the way, and it added so much to all the pictures and the videos. Mama enjoyed this place too, and we are actually having a regret that this trip is going to end tomorrow. We should have extended this one. I really like the color of the sand and the sky, and the fact that it is so clean. This trip is very special for me because Mama and I have never done something like this before. This trip actually brought so much joy to her, and there is no greater happiness than to see your mother happy.
हे बिळा जे छोटे छोटे दिसत आहेत ते कोणाचे आहेत? खेकड्यांचे आहेत. तुला कसं माहिती खेकड्यांबद्दल एवढं? काय 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 व्हिडिओ बघते युट्यूबवर. अच्छा म्हणून युट्यूबवरचे व्हिडिओ मध्ये खेकड्याचे हे सांगतात, खरं सांगतात. एवढं बरं वाटतं इथे येऊन. अँड देयर इज सो मच ऑफ लाईट ना. बघ ना, एक वेगळं सनसेट आहे इकडे.
This place is so beautiful. We only decided to take a walk, but we ended up clicking so many pictures and beautiful videos. We also played a bit in the water. Then it started to rain. We couldn't rush back because we were very far from the exit. So we just lived in the moment and had great fun. It's 3:30 in the morning and we are heading back to the airport. That light that you see, that is the airport.
So मम्मा तुझा एक्सपिरियन्स कसा होता? एकदम छान. थांब मला कंप्लीट. सो मम्मा तुझा टेक 2. सो मम्मा तुझा एक्सपिरियन्स कसा होता फॉर होल ट्रिप? म्हणजे काही दगदग नाही झाली, कुठे त्रास नाही झाला?
काही त्रास झाला नाही. मस्त एकदम छान आमची ट्रिप झाली. मस्त एन्जॉय केलं.
एन्जॉय. आय नो, एन्जॉय द होल ट्रिप. आणि आता मग असं थोडंसं there's a bad feeling that we have to go back today. That we are going to miss the puja, we are going to miss the reception, but the rasam rice, and yeah, the food is really nice here. We are going to miss that all. And
bonda.
Mama likes bonda, but we're going to miss it, and hopefully we come back here again, and that's it. Bye bye बोलिए.
Bye. Bye Bengaluru.
Bye Bengaluru.
This is our last episode of our travel to Mangalore. I hope you guys enjoyed our travel, crazy talk, some information, and the fun. Show us your love through likes, comments, share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more such videos. We love you, Mangalore. Bye bye.